So the question of how personalized care or precision medicine or whatever word you want to use can be accommodated within this model does partially fall under the concept of implementation of innovation. But I'll tell you, I think that given the current climate regarding the need to prove clinical utility around personalized medicine, I don't see tremendous impact in the next couple of years. I think that we are at a point now where we're starting to maybe get some agreement about the rules of evidence collection and what the impact of that evidence should have on clinical decision making, as well as coverage policy. But we're at the beginning of that. And so if you figure that the CMMI proposal is a 3 to 5 year project, I would be shocked if enough had happened that it would sabotage the model. There's another answer that if you are a tremendous proponent of personalized medicine that you would give, and that you would say that there are cost offsets, right? So although you might be using a new innovative therapy, you're using that at the benefit of the patient, and instead of another therapy that not only has its own cost structure but maybe results in more hospitalizations or something like that. So because it's a relatively time-constrained thing, the offsets may make the math a little bit easier.
So PD-1 is clearly in this world of precision medicine, although it's a little different. And I struggle with the term personalized medicine, and it's still frequently used in lay media more so than in clinical trial, where we're using basket trials and precision medicine more. But in the world of precision medicine, the thought is that we're identifying unique molecular and genetic phenomenon which are happening in a particular tumor. What's interesting about PD-1 class of drugs is they harken back to a prior period, because it appears that the mechanism of action that they're going after to abort tumor growth are fairly universal. So we're looking at a class of drugs that's very exciting because they're not applicable to some small subset of a particular cancer that may represent 1 or 2% of that cancer's population. They literally represent a class of drugs that may be active against 1/2 or 2/3 of all malignancy. So it's an interesting kind of twist on this whole notion, because it's personalized precision medicine that may be precision for everyone, which kind of throws it all on its head. And it'll be interesting to see how we all talk about it in the years to come.